Mistplay accounts usually become inaccessible because of login issues, account suspension, or syncing problems between your device and the app. By the end, you'll know how to recover your Mistplay account step by step, what actually causes account loss, and what Mistplay support can and cannot restore. Start with the most common situation. Most Mistplay lost accounts are actually login mismatches, not deleted accounts. Now explain what that means. Your account is still stored on Mistplay's servers, but you're not signing in the same way you originally did. Now explain the first recovery step. Open Mistplay and try every login method you may have used before. This includes email login, Google login, or any connected account option. Now explain why this matters. Using the wrong login method creates a completely new account instead of your old one. Now explain the second step. Check the email inbox you used when you first signed up for Mistplay. Look for old Mistplay messages that confirm your original account details. Now, explain password recovery. If you used email login, use the password reset option inside the app. Follow the reset link to regain access to your account. Now, explain device-level issues. Sometimes Mistplay appears missing because data is still stored locally on another device. Logging in on a new phone without syncing can make progress look gone. Now explain suspension possibility. If your account was suspended, you won't be able to fully access rewards or gameplay tracking. In that case, recovery depends on Mistplay support review.y. Now explain support process. Go to Mistplay support and submit a request explaining that you cannot access your account. Include your email, device information, and any previous usernames you remember. Now explain what helps recovery. Clear, consistent account information helps support verify ownership faster. Now explain what does not help. Creating multiple new accounts makes recovery harder because it increases confusion in the system. Now summarize the core idea. Mistplay accounts are usually recoverable if you're using the correct login method, or if support can verify your identity. Most issues come from login mismatches, not actual account deletion. And support becomes the main recovery path when suspension or sync issues are involved. One practical next step. Try every login method you used before Mistplay support, starting with your original email or Google account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that explain exactly how account recovery actually works.